In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an access token with HubSpot. We'll be guiding you through each step, ensuring you grasp the process clearly while extracting a token for access. So let's dive right in. First, please go to the trial guide on HubSpot's website. This will set the foundation for everything we'll do next. You can easily find this page by navigating through your user interface. It's straightforward. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this can save time in the future. Next, let's move on to the settings. Once you're in the guide, click on the Settings option. It's usually located at the top right corner of your screen. This step allows us to access the backend where most integrations and configurations occur. Navigating settings effortlessly can often simplify complex tasks, so take note of its location. After opening the settings, find and click on Integrations. HubSpot hosts a variety of integration options that can supercharge your workflows, and this step is crucial in connecting different tools together. As you explore, you'll see various options you can use in later configurations. For now, focus on what's pertinent. Once you've selected integrations, locate the Private Apps option. Clicking on it will direct you toward creating a private application. This platform within HubSpot is essential for building specific features or extracting tokens that align directly with your strategic needs. Private apps aren't visible company-wide, which adds a layer of security. Now that you're in the Private Apps section, look for the button that says Create a Private App. Clicking this opens up a whole new world of customization. Creating a private app serves as the cornerstone for this process. It allows you to generate access tokens necessary for bespoke functionality. With your private app underway, you'll need to click on Basic Info. Here, you can insert the foundational information about your new private app. Providing clear, concise, and accurate information ensures that your app performs its intended function without unnecessary glitches. Afterward, let's proceed to Scopes. By clicking on Scopes, you're determining the range and breadth of access your private app will have. This step carefully tailors permissions, safeguarding data while maximizing utility. Finally, the last task is to select Add New Scope. This part is crucial because it specifies the precise operations your app can undertake. By thoughtfully adding new scopes, you maintain control over operations, preventing unauthorized actions and protecting vital information. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to get an access token on HubSpot by creating a private app. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit any part of the video if you need further clarification. Until next time, happy navigating and customizing with HubSpot.